Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time of coming here, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and moist carrot cake, which can also call carrot loaf or bread. Let's get started. To make this cake bread, I'll start by grating my washed carrots. I have here about 5 medium sized carrots which I've washed and peeled off the skin. And here I have 2 cups of grated carrots. The next step is to mix our dry ingredients. And here I have got 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll leave the measurements I'm using in the description box. I added baking powder and the baking soda, a pinch of salt. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of nutmeg and the cinnamon powder. Next, I'll mix the ingredients together and set aside. In another bowl, I'll add 2 eggs and a half cup of sugar and mix until the sugar dissolves. When the sugar dissolves, I add about 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You can use margarine also. I also added half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, but I missed that clip, so add that for more flavor. Next, I will add 1 cup of milk and mix. And then I'll gradually add our star of the dish, which is the grated carrots. It is now time to bring the wet and the dry ingredients together. I'll also gradually mix in the flour mixture into the carrot mix. And here I have my baking pan, which I greased with some oil and dusted with a tablespoon of flour. I'll now pour the batter into it, level it, and then bake at 210 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. To be sure your cake or bread is done, you can always insert a toothpick or skewer into it. If it comes out clean, you know that it is done. And here we have our carrot bread cake. This bread was so moist, so tasty, so yummy, so delicious. You can see I couldn't even wait for it to cool down before diving into it. That's how delicious it was. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.